In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can delete contacts from your iPhone. You can simply delete a contact from your phone in just few simple steps. To do this, simply head into your contacts list. Select any contact you would like to delete. Then tap on the edit button on your upper right corner of the screen. On this page, you will have to scroll down onto the last option of delete contact. Tap on it and select delete. The selected contact will get deleted successfully. That's how easy it is to delete contacts from your iPhone. You can restore your deleted contacts at any time. I will leave a link in this video description on how to restore deleted contacts from your iPhone. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.